You are here because you are studying BBA और BMS. या तो आप ग्रेजुएट होने वाले हो या सेकेंड ईयर में हो या प्लान कर रहे हो BBA BMS करेंगे. अब मैनेजमेंट करियर को लेके काफ़ी सारे सवाल हैं कि भाई कौन सा करियर ऑप्शन चूज करना चाहिए, कौन सी पोर्टफोलियो में काम करना चाहिए. Guys, this video gonna be really important for all the students who are a management students or about to complete their BBA or BMS degree, because I'll tell you the top 10 list in 2025 की कौन सी पोर्टफोलियो है जो आपको अप्लाई करनी चाहिए, what are the starting range of salary, also the skill set that you need to get in this profile. So make sure guys that you watch the video till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to Media Mentor. If you're here on my channel for the first time, I make a lot of informative videos for students, for their career, for their college, everything. So make sure that you subscribe. I will start from the most interesting one, which is management consultant. Yes guys, I've seen a lot of Gen Zs are really smart and can share a lot of ideas to the companies, how to upscale, how to grow, how to put operations in place. Obviously, for such kind of job role, you need to have a very good analytic skill, very good communication skill. If you're studied from a very good reputed institute, I'm sure you have worked on the projects, and I've seen students have been working on amazing projects and getting VCs and funding. तो अगर आप उनमें से एक हो जो कि who love solving problem and improve the business strategies, then this is for you. And the starting salary is somewhere around 7 to 10 lakh per annum. Yes guys, you heard it right. A good company is paying you that much. But if you work in a mediocre company, obviously it will be from 4 to 7 lakhs. Second, सबका फेवरेट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग मैनेजर. नाउ इट साउंड्स वेरी क्लीशे बिकॉज हर दूसरा बंदा मार्केट में अपने आप को डिजिटल स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट बुलाता है. बट गाइज, ये तो ऐसा हो गया ना कि यार फैशन डिजाइनिंग में हर कोई सब्यसाची के जितना तो अर्न नहीं कर सकता. बट इफ यू आर अ पर्सन हु कैन शो रिजल्ट्स, देन आई एम टेलिंग यू डोंट हैव टू लुक बैक, बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी इंडिविजुअल एंड द इंडस्ट्री इज ऑन डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर द बिजनेस. एंड इफ यू नो द बिजनेस, इफ यू नो द एल्गोरिदम, if you understand SEO, social media strategy, data analytics, then this game is for you. But you have to be really best in it. Starting package is from 5 to 7 lakhs and it scales up to 10 lakhs per annum as well. But starting आपको 4 lakhs की salary तो मिल ही जाएगी. But अगर आप बहुत ही mediocre है, then yes, it will be 3 lakhs only. थर्ड इज लिटिल नीश प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर, जहां पे आप अपने कस्टमर की नीड को अंडरस्टैंड करके सॉल्यूशन क्रिएट कर सकते हो. देन यस, दिस गेम इज फॉर यू. Somebody who is a great strategy thinker, somebody who can manage a project and execute it well. And in the technical world, if you know UI, UX design basics. So if you want to become a project manager, you have to have a very good technical skill, very good communication skill, and yes, indeed, good with strategy and planning. Now, talking about the starting salary is somewhere around 10 to 12 lakh per annum. Yes, you heard it right guys. It is a high paying job and responsibility भी काफी होती है. But if you are an average person who is not that skilled, then yes, it starts from 5 to 7 lakh per annum. And then comes investment banker. Very fancy, high paying profile because you manage money. You're working for people who have ample of money and is working as an investment advisor. So if you love numbers, if you are a finance person, then this career option is for you. And yes, indeed, understanding your client, their needs, and the market. So investment banking is something that pays you really well. The starting salary is from 12 to 14 lakh per annum and the top players earn up to 50 lakhs. As I said, you are working for the people who have money and help them segregate their fund. So imagine you need to be really smart at what you are doing. And if you have taken finance as a specialization, this is for you. Guys, you have to remember one thing. The payment I'm talking about is subjective to the company that you are working in. I'm talking about the companies who are the A-level companies. They are paying you so much. But if you work on the same role in a B or C-level company, your package will be way more lesser because you need to be really game to be working in a big company to get such salary package. Now, fifth is HR manager. Now, when you talk about human resource, as you know, AI has reduced a lot of manpower in this section. But if you are really game in people interaction, recruitment, understanding the talent, then yes, this game is for you. Because as you know, if you know the AI well and the HR software well and best at managing people, then trust me, HR jobs are really high valued, because instead of 5 HRs, now you have only 2 HR in the company, thanks to the AI, reducing a lot of work, but yes, increasing the pay package as well, because they are the crucial element of the company. But as I said, whichever profile are we talking about, you need to be best at it. You need to really scale your game up to be there. I mean, to be on the package that I'm talking about. Starting salary of HR ranges from 5 to 7 lakh per annum. And if you're doing great, then it will be around 8 to 10 lakhs per annum. On number 6, we have data analyst. Now, data analyst in the world of business is much required, because now business is completely data driven. As I said, everything has gone under technology to everything is now online. So you can measure things, you can know who is your target audience, you can calculate the conversion. So data analysts are much more required these days, and this is the specific skill set that people have. So yes, there's a high demand, less supply. So you can imagine, if you're really good at the softwares, at the technical knowledge, understanding the business, if you club this together, you can have a great future here. And yes, the starting salary of a data analyst in the world of business somewhere ranges around 8 to 10 lakhs and goes up to 12 to 15 lakhs per annum. Next comes operation management. Now, this role is really crucial. Somebody who connects with people well, have a leadership skill, supply chain management, because every company, be it on the digital platform, like let's talk about Amazon, if they don't have a good supply chain, good retail network, good employees, and a leader who controls everything, it's really difficult for them to operate. So operations management is a role that is really crucial for any company. And if you are good at the leadership skills, supply chain management, and strategic planning, then this is for you. Also, the starting salary ranges from 7 to 10 lakh per annum, but as you grow senior in the role, it scales up to a lot more. Then comes the business analyst. Now, these are the people who bridges the gap between IT and the business. So if you are a tech person, have enough technical knowledge and IT knowledge, then business analyst is the profile that you should be targeting for. Starting salary ranges from 6 to 8 lakh per annum, goes up to 10 to 12, depending on which company you're working in and the seniority. Obviously, that increases again with your experience and how important are you for the company. Next comes the favorite of all, entrepreneur and a startup founder. So if you are somebody who is willing to take a risk, understand the business, and is creative and also good at people management. Obviously, I would not say entrepreneurship is now the game. There is a lot of solopreneurship that is there in the market. We will have a lot of small companies working for, niche segment, because people are happy doing that. And a lot of youngsters want to work independently. They don't want to be a part of the corporate culture anymore, or, be in that system. So now the era that will be coming forward will be the era of solopreneurs, which means entrepreneurship अगर आप कर सकते हो, आप funding लेके risk ले सकते हो, and you have the willingness to run the business, then yes, again, a student from a business background can be a very good entrepreneur if they have a certain skill set, because being an entrepreneur is not about the freedom. There is a lot more responsibility is there on you. You need to be all-rounder. Again, you have the responsibility of making money. So if you are the one who want to explore their own option, then becoming an entrepreneur is one of the great options. And the last is marketing manager. So if you are great with campaigns, communication, marketing skills, then this job role is for you. Somebody who is good at market research, campaign planning, and also understand the business when it comes to Google ads, to Meta ads, to everything, then yes, marketing manager is a role that you should be looking forward for. Starting salary ranges from 5 to 8 lakhs per annum, and it scales up depending on the firm that you're working for. I hope guys the video was informative. I know it was a little lengthy. I have listed few of the skill set that you must learn as a management student, as a business student, so that whichever field that you're working on, it will definitely help you. So as you have seen, each and every profile demanded for a good communication skill. So you should definitely work on your soft skills, be it communication, be it time management, be it your analytical thinking, critical thinking. ये सारी चीजें आपको हर फील्ड में हेल्प करती है. So make sure that you guys work on that. And yes, guys, if you want to get in touch with me personally for one-on-one counseling session regarding your career, courses or anything, you can contact us on this WhatsApp number. My team will share the details with you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.